Welcome to our discussion on the Texas City Refinery explosion of 2005, one of those industrial disasters that really forces us to look carefully at safety and process management.
I'm eager to dive in. So, what are the essential background details we're looking at here?
Right. So this refinery was one of the largest in North America, operated by BP.
Yeah,
But aging equipment and obsolete blowdown systems really set the stage for disaster.
kind of like a ticking time bomb waiting for the right, or rather, the wrong conditions to trigger.
Exactly. During the startup of the isomerization unit, the raffinate splitter tower got overfilled. It was a classic mismanagement scenario, leading to a situation where things just spiraled out of control.
So, overfilling, the kind of error that signals deep process issues, right?
Absolutely. And when hydrocarbons were mistakenly released to an atmospheric blowdown drum instead of being directed to the flare system, it was like, stacking the deck against safety.
Right.
That error set off a chain reaction, leading to a massive vapor cloud and eventually a huge explosion.
That sounds catastrophic. And the report indicated that faulty instruments and poor alarm systems played a huge role, didn't it?
Yes, exactly. Operators were misled by those instruments. Poorly calibrated and unreliable alarm systems masked the warning signs. So, compounded by factors like cost cutting, a weak safety culture, inadequate training, and management failure, it all just built up over time.
So essentially, it wasn't just one mistake. It was a whole series of oversights accumulating over the years, right?
Exactly. It's like a cascade of failures, each one stacking up until the explosion was inevitable.
Yeah,
The real lesson here is that startups are inherently high-risk operations, and you can't rely solely on single instruments for safety.
I get that. But don't you think it's a bit of an oversimplification to pin it all on technology failures? There's also the human aspect, isn't there?
That's a fair point. It wasn't just the instruments, it was an overall failure in management and training. Maintenance, for instance, is a safety function that got neglected. These factors, like poor accountability and cost-cutting over ensuring safety, really underscore the need for a real, enforced safety culture.
Definitely. It's like every element from maintenance to process controls has to be bulletproof.
Exactly, and the takeaway is clear. Major accidents don't just happen in an instant, they're the result of years of ignored warnings and continuous risk accumulation.
That's a sobering reminder. It kind of forces everyone in the industry to rethink their priorities, doesn't it?
For sure. It shows that you never really want to cut corners when it comes to safety. Inadequate training, misused equipment, and a lax safety culture. Each of these factors contributed to the disaster and ultimately cost lives.
Yeah, and that's the real lesson. Safety needs to be built into every process step and management decision.
Absolutely. By learning these lessons, industries can better prepare and hopefully save countless lives in the future.
Thanks for walking through that with me. It really highlights the necessity for constant vigilance and a proactive approach in industrial safety.